Alright, this is the Tune-A-Tenna from Frank, WB4NWV. Got here great, and instructions in the box, good. This, I take it, is the guy line, trolley line, mast antenna guying, look at that. And here's the main unit. Remove magnets from reels. So there's the unit that goes up top. And it uses stainless steel cable wire. We got to open this thing up and take some magnets off, I guess. Two connectors, one for RF and one for DC. We've also got a control box. Same connectors. Oh, here's the stakes. That's just to keep them from poking through the box. But nice that he included stakes for guying. And yeah, here's the trolleys. There we go. Those ride on the guys and put in an inverted V configuration. Weight just extends the antenna. Big 1 pound, 16 ounce lead weights, so do not eat. And some bend around ferrule things. Fantastic. All right, I'm gonna go get a screwdriver and we'll open that guy. Okay, rumor has it there are magnets on the reels. Oh, look at that. Okay, there's a magnet. All right, where's the other one? Well, that's good. It won't turn when it's not powered up. But that means I can't get at wherever the other magnet is. We're gonna have to power this thing up. But so what I need to do is just cut off a cable and run that to a battery. And then another cable from here to there, and then I'll be able to, okay. There's the other magnet. So there it is. Works and everything. All right, other magnet out of the way. Well, I have an idea. It's a bad idea. There's the guy ring disc on the mast. I could push that way up to the top. I could hang this from that. And then use the other ones to basically tie it around. Tie it to the mast. That'll work. Okay. We'll reassemble this and then move this operation up to the roof. Integral to this antenna is two guy wires that are going to want to keep it in place anyway. So that's good. what I'll probably do is because this antenna will be tuned to a very resonant frequency. Every time I change frequency, I'll readjust the length. And because the antenna is extremely resonant, makes it extremely efficient, which means the coax doesn't heat up, which means you don't have as much loss. So I can get away with RG58 probably on HF for this 60-foot run maybe, and not have much of a problem. Where I want the LMR 400 or whatever this thick, expensive cable is,
for the VHF,
is for VHF, UHF. I am
You
going
knew
to,
that before going into it.
I am going to tie a knot here that is guaranteed to come loose later.
We'll document this really well.
Great.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. It's just got to hold up that 1-pound trolley and stay somewhat straight. That's all she needs. Okay, one goes that way, one goes that way. And you know what a smart person would have done? Would have run that rope through this pulley first.
So you have to untie it all?
No, it's a good thing it's not a very good knot. Through the trolley pulley. Bum, bum, bum. And then tie a knot. Thingy. Alright. This one goes through this way. Come on. I learned about this antenna in the most wonderful ham radio way.
On the ham radio?
Yeah. I was in one of the HF contests, one of the QSO parties, a few months ago. And this guy with this beautiful baritone voice, you know, guy who should work on radio, said, imagine, if you will, a dipole that is any exact length that you want at any time, always perfectly tuned, never need to use an antenna transmitter. It's like, yeah, that's what I want one of those. Yeah. Right off the end.
Goes tumbling down.
Yeah. Possibly dragging me with it. All right. Now we got to pull the guys out and hook up downstairs.
It's alive!